Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. Todd is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for joining me.
Oh, thank you for having me, Brad.
Absolutely. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why you're running, how long you've been in the town, and what you hope to accomplish as a candidate for council.
That's great. Well, thank you for having me here today. It's great to be here, and I'm honored to be able to tell everybody in Orangeville all about myself. I committed to run for councillor for the town of Orangeville. It's always been something I've wanted to do, and at this point in my life, I have the time to do it and the willingness to do so. I've lived in Orangeville since 2002. I've raised my children here, and I've volunteered for many town committees and nonprofit groups. I'm proud of the contributions I've made to the town. Basically, I've been president of the Optimist Club of Orangeville and president of the Mono Nordic Club. Those are two things that I hold near and dear to myself. And since I've declared my candidacy for council, many have asked me what I do to make a living. So I think I'll just describe it in the best way I possibly can. I've worked for a large variety of food companies, and most of my experience has been spent as the director of sales. Over the years, I've been associated with many brands that a lot of consumers would know. You'd have them in your cupboards today. And my job is to build customer relationships, turn around underperforming businesses, and unlocking innovative ways to get things done. Essentially what that means is I have to be the one in charge of contract negotiations. So things that would happen at the town, I would use those skills to be able to parlay into what would be best for Orangeville. Business plans and budget, I'm very familiar with how the profit and loss statements would work. And basically, I would be a builder and a leader of teams. So I would lead my co-workers through different things that we're trying to accomplish together. And essentially, I think those are the key things that the town will need as we move forward. So basically, I want to apply all of these skills that I have and be able to help the town grow to be a better place.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Todd. And certainly if you want to see some more videos on what Todd has to say, please check out the links below. And thank you for watching.